You want to sketch, right?
Yes. Maybe yes. Maybe no.
Alright.
I want to sketch.
Okay. So it's like I will be teaching you, right? So do you know from where to start?
I think I know this, or maybe no, or like I actually don't know from where to start.
So I know that you don't know, and we will be seeing all that in this video. So first of all, let's go to our studio, man.
तर स्टार्ट चाहिँ कहाँबाट गर्ने?
Line practice.
बट ब्रो आई हेभ सिन कति धेरै भिडियो त्यो रिलेटेड के हावामा लाइन तान्दै बस्छ भने.
हावा होइन, पेपरमा होला. Let me explain.
डु आई हेभ टु डु इट अगेन?
Yes, but with twist and more practical way.
Random line banana is much more easy. Like, I think anyone can do it, right? So let's make it much more practical. So firstly and basically, line banana say try to move your whole hand rather than just moving your palm and your fingertips. Fingertips or palm matra use garda say you can get curves in your straight line, right? And also while drawing longer lines, you can move your whole arm, like up to here. You can move. Just try practicing this one, and your lines will get much more straight. Now secondly, let's try drawing a line connecting two dots. So first ma jati धेरै straight line हुन सक्छ, do that. You might not get desired results, but because it's just the starting of the practice, हैन. But अलिकति नै straight आइरहेको छैन भने चाहिँ we have to practice another step first. So let's first see that, then we will jump here. So यो प्रोसेसमा चाहिँ you have to draw several lines, हैन. स्केल को हेल्पले चाहिँ 5-6 लाइन तान्ने, त्यसको बीचमा चाहिँ अलि बढी नै ग्याप होस्, like because we have to fill that gap with our freehand line. Okay, so त्यसपछि चाहिँ लाइक लाइन तानिसकेपछि अब दुईटा लाइनको बिचको ग्यापलाई फ्री ह्यान्डले भर्ने, हैन. एन्ड मेन्टेनिङ इक्वल ग्याप, लाइक इट्स नट एउटामा ग्याप धेरै छ, एउटामा सानो ग्याप छ, एउटा लाइन इन्क्लाइन गरेर छ, एउटा स्ट्रेट त्यस्तो हैन. सबै लाइन स्ट्रेट होस्, हैन, एन्ड इभन ग्याप बिट्विन देम. देन वी क्यान मुभ आवर joining the dots process.
As we have already learned our practicing lines joining two dots, now it's time to make it one step more difficult. Now let's practice lines joining three dots. Able to draw that? Then well done. Like now let's try drawing some basic 2D and 3D shapes. Aba यसमा चाहिँ not just only straight lines, but try to draw perfect 90-degree. Like we have to practice to draw two lines which are exactly perpendicular, like as much as you can. And one main thing that you don't have to do while practicing. But before that, let's try practicing some zigzag lines. Zigzag lines पनि अब random बनाउने हैन. लाइक ऱ्यान्डम नै बनाउने, लाइक एउटा जिगज्याग लाइन चाहिँ ऱ्यान्डम बनाउने, एन्ड देन वी हेभ टु फलो द्याट जिगज्याग लाइन फर्दर. अब यसको बिचको जुन कर्नर आउँछ नि त, त्यो कर्नर चाहिँ एउटै स्ट्रेट लाइनमा आउनु पर्यो. इट्स विल नट गो इन्क्लाइन्ड. त्यति भए पुग्छ जिगज्याग लाइन्सलाई.
It's going well, bro, but what was that not to do wala point?
Not to draw broken lines.
Oh, see, basically we have two types of line. हुन त धेरै हुन्छ है, but we will talk that in next video. अहिलेलाई चाहिँ let's just talk about two lines, that is normal and taper line. अब normal line चाहिँ normal line हैन, जुन हामीले normally draw गर्छौं, जसमा चाहिँ we can see breaks, cuts, starting point, ending point, like सबै हुन्छ हैन. And one is taper line, जसमा चाहिँ हामीले starting र ending point थाहा हुँदैन, like either starting point थाहा हुँदैन or ending point थाहा हुँदैन or दुवै थाहा हुँदैन. That one is called taper lines. Okay, but गर्न चाहिँ के छैन, like what we should not do.
Wait na bro. So जब तपाई लामो लाइन बनाउनु हुन्छ, you might use broken lines, हैन, which is wrong. Like try to use taper lines. Taper lines ले चाहिँ लामो लाइनलाई पनि एउटा सिंगल लाइन, कन्टिन्युअस लाइन, लाइक ब्रेक नभएको कतै त्यस्तो देखाउन हेल्प गर्छ, हैन. So try practicing that one. And also taper line ले चाहिँ कर्व बनाउन or कर्व प्र्याक्टिस गर्न, हैन, एकदमै हेल्प गर्छ. So taper line is must के, like you should have to practice it.
अच्छा,
cheating.
Not actually cheating, bro. It's what we call it, tips.
How? So more please.
Now I can see your interest, bro. But try practicing longer lines, like rather than the shorter ones, because it will help you a lot. Now, just like I said, tapered lines is useful in practicing curves, in drawing curves, है ना? So now let's practice curves.
Wait, line को त्यति नै छ?
Daily गरे यतिले पुग्छ. Now can we move on curve? So practicing curve is very similar to that of practicing lines.
मतलब दुवैको बेसिक सेम नै छ हैन?
Yes. First, let's try drawing random circles. Here you have to draw like as much as random circles, है ना? And as much as perfect you can.
यो चाहिँ ऱ्यान्डम नै हो, मतलब हावातालमा?
Not actually हावाताल. It's like straight line आफैमा right भएको थाहा हुन्न. Means I mean to say that suppose you are trying to draw, like you are trying to practice a straight line, and in case it became inclined, then you can't say that this is wrong because inclined line नै हुन्छ हैन. But यो त्यो छैन जुन चाहिँ तपाईले प्र्याक्टिस गर्न खोज्नु भएको छ. But in case of circle, like जुन चाहिँ तरिकाले बनाउँदा पनि it's circle. जसरी बनाए नि it is circle, जसरी हेरे नि it is circle. So try doing random circles as much perfect as you can.
If आएन भने
त्यसको नि उपाय छ. First draw एउटा सर्कल कम्पासले, and then अलि ठुलो सर्कल, and then त्यो भित्र चाहिँ फ्री ह्यान्डले सर्कल बनाउँदै जाने हैन, as much perfect as you can obviously, and try to maintain even gap between the circles हैन, and then you can try practicing with free hand without the help of compass हैन.
Okay, like same as line.
Yeah, dude.
Circle मात्र छ यसमा?
Nahi. See, circle is the best curve to practice, but it's not the only way to practice curve. We have some more. जस्तै एउटा random curve बनाउने अनि त्यही कर्भलाई फलो गर्ने अगाडि, like the same we have done in our zigzag lines, and try to maintain even gap between the circles हैन. यो even gap चाहिँ मैले सबैमा भनिरहेको छु. It's like because it's important कि यसले चाहिँ हाम्रो hand controlमा धेरै नै help गर्छ. So
I think I can sketch now.
Obviously you can, but first just practice this, okay?
One last question. What is line, and like why should we have to practice these lines and curves? What's its uses? Like के काम स्केचमा यसको?
Seriously? यो question first में सोध्नु पर्ने हैन? But okay, lines and curves are the basic units of sketching. Like we have studied in Botanical class, say this is the basic unit of life. In the same way, like lines and curves are the basic unit of sketching. अब के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि like line and curves नै छैन भने त अब ड्रइङ गर्दाखेरि from where to start के स्टार्ट गर्ने, like कहाँबाट स्टार्ट गर्ने केही थाहा नै हुन्न, because like what we can expect, like जब line नै छैन तब चाहिँ हैन. So that's why practicing line is very very important. So according to types of line त्यसको आफ्नो युज हुन्छ हैन, like जुन टाइपको लाइन छ त्यसको आफ्नो युज हुन्छ, लाइक कन्टोर ड्रइङमा हेल्प हुन्छ, ह्याचिङ, क्रस ह्याचिङ, सोइङ डेप्थ्स एन्ड मेनी मोर हैन. We will discuss it in next video, so don't forget to watch that video in next session.
Yes, I am highly motivated now. I just want to learn more, sir.
Nice. Okay, so let's see you in next video with new topic.